What's up, guys? This is Toby O. Nelson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, there's something powerful I want to actually show you in this video. Okay, this is actually very interesting, and there are a lot of things that you will learn from the video. One of those things is how to use small lot size and small stop loss, and then win big as a trader. I'm not just going to tell you all this. I'm going to show you the trade I took. In fact, I so many trades like that. Okay, I took such a trade on crypto. I took such a trade on forex, on Nasdaq, and S&P 500. So I'm going to show you all these three trades. I'm going to show you all these trade, and I'm going to show you what I saw before I took those trade, and why I was able to capture such profit. Hold the trade for that long. Okay, and yeah, basically that is what I want to show you in this video, and I believe you are going to learn a great deal from this video. Probably you can copy and you know the stop the copy the method and then replicate it, so that you can start making money as a trader as well yourself. So I won't waste much of your time, so let's just go to my computer screen so that I can show you all these things. All right, but before then, if this is your first time of coming across my video, please try and subscribe. One of the reasons why I want you to subscribe is because there are valuable videos, there are valuable information here, and I dish out this information almost every week. So it will be very, very ideal for you to subscribe to the video so that you can get access to some of these videos as I put them out there, so that you can learn and grow and become successful as a trader yourself and start making money. And another thing I want to say is that if you feel that you need more, you need to understand more, you need to ride with me as a trader, then you may want to join my mentorship class where I teach and guide you, hold your hands, and uh, take you to the path of success when it comes to trading. So you can take my mentorship class. Okay. So if you want to take the mentorship class, just check my bio. You will see my Telegram link and my Instagram handle there. So just send me a DM. I will respond to it. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to my computer screen so that I can show you all these things on the chart. All right. So to my computer screen. Guys, okay, now that we're on my computer screen, so okay, this is Ripple. The first one is actually on S&P 500. The first trade was on S&P 500. So let's check it out. This is the trade. Okay, it's on S&P 500 and it's my recent trade. Okay, you can see my recent trade. Actually, I took another sell trade here though, but this consolidation just made me close the trade. So So this one is so that was a recent trade that I took here, but I've removed it because the consolidation is just taking too long. So, and I believe that after this consolidation, any breakouts here, this market is likely to go bullish. So, anyways, so let's talk about what why we are here. So, if you are familiar with my channel or if you've been here, you will know that I love to talk about price action pattern a lot, like all this double bottom stuff. I love trading them. So the trade, first of all, what I realized about S&P 500 is that it's a bullish market. Okay, the bullish market. If you go to a higher time frame, you will see that for a fact that it's a bullish market. Okay, so just as you can see here, you can see it's actually a bullish market. I see it make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So even this small trend here is making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So that is what the market is doing. So my general bias for such assets is always to go bullish on the trade. So now that I have something like that, then I then drop to lower time frame. And when I drop to lower time frame, what I see was that the market is actually making higher highs, higher lows. So here I saw this as a retracement, actually, as a retracement, this move here, as a retracement. This is an impulsive move, okay, and this is the retracement. So this retracement, the first thing I check was to use my Fibonacci to see if this is Fibonacci, if this retraces to Fibonacci golden zone on the norms, So, and I saw this. This is perfect for me. Yeah, it's okay for me. In as much as the price is within the zone, it's okay. So that is the first thing I realized. That's the first thing I pinpoint from there. Then I drop to lower time frame to look for my price action pattern that indicates reversal at this point. Okay, so that is on my time frame, which is 4 hour. So on dropping to 4 hour, I saw my double top, my double bottom forms there. So after my double top forms, I use my RSI for confirmation and all that. So then after this ring, after all this small candle formation that took 4 hour, that was when I took my entry. You know, after this green pin bar, that was when I took my entry. And then this trade around 4, you know, this is 4 hour. Imagine all this candle for 4 hours. You know, I hold this for days. I hold the trade for days. So that is the first trade. So now the kind of trade I took, okay, I don't get out when I don't have a reason to get out of the trade. So here I got out because I see this. Ordinarily, I wouldn't have gotten out. The fact that there is a resistance here doesn't mean that I will get out from this trade. The reason I got out from this trade was because I already made a significant profit from just this trade alone. Just this trade alone, I made about $500 alone from this single trade. So it's crazy, you know. So as a result, I just feel like, okay, there's no need for me to hold the trade. Hence, I would have hold this trade on, except I see some significant double top, okay. And then when I see a green candle and a bearish candle in government here, then I may want to get out. I may actually get out here because I saw something like that here above here. That is when I want to get out from the trade. Yeah. So that is supposed to be my exit a signal. But I get out anyway because I'm already close and then a lot of profit here. Now, what I want you to pick up from this is the fact that imagine what I used to have as my SL, okay, and look at the profit. So imagine if I lose trade like 5 times or 3 times. Do you think it's going to override the profit I made here? I will still be having profit no matter if I'm having this kind of stop loss, this small stop loss. How many of these do you think you can find in this long trade here? So that is how you become a profitable trader in the long run, because when you capture trade, you capture it in a huge form. You don't just get out, you maximize it. Okay, you maximize it. So take a look at this. I something like that too on Ethereum. I did something like that on Ethereum. Let me show you briefly. Okay, recently I took, okay, here it is. So this for Ethereum, okay. Ethereum also follows similar rules, like S&P 500. You go to higher time frame to check the general bias. Then from daily time frame, you want to see what is going on. Then here, I saw my double bottoms, and then actually when this information comes, I missed this trade initially until I saw this green red candle retraces. So that was when I entered the trade, and you can see how long this trade is. Okay, now see the stop loss. Okay, look at the SL. So how many of these will you see in this? So how many trades do you think I will lose back to back that will wipe out my account? That is going to be rare. So in the long run, this is how you become profitable as a trader. You want to make sure that you maximize your trade. So here in this case, I got out because of this double bottom top that I'm seeing here. You can see this should, I ordinarily I will sell the trade back down again when I see, because this is an entry. This is what gives me an entry in a trade. Double top, double bottom, head and shoulder, reverse head and shoulder pattern. So me seeing double top here, because this is actually a double top, you may not you may be seeing consolidation, but that is actually a double top. Let me come to daily time frame so that you can see it clearly. Okay, sorry, trying to, okay, okay. So as you can see the double top. Okay, the market moved from here, got here, retraces, got back up, then retraces. So this is your double top. Okay, so if you come to 4 hour, that will be very obvious for you to see. Okay, so that's it. So this double top is I'm supposed to sell, but the reason I didn't sell this trade was because at this time during this period there was supposed to be Ethereum ETF, um, Ethereum spot ETF approval in US, which I believe is going to help the market to go bullish. So I don't want to risk selling the asset at the time. So that was why I didn't sell this market. Okay. So, and as you can see, something like this trade that I've taken in the past is already playing out here. So I'm just hoping the trade is going to head in my direction. Um, you know, I saw this double bottom, and then I think I took my entry around here. Yeah, that is where I took my entry, but market has been going up and down, so I don't know what's going to happen now. But let me just hope for the best. So there are a couple of other trades like this. In fact, all my trades has been like that. Imagine, look at this one now. You can see where I'm targeting. So and this is on 4 hour. This is not just 1 hour, 4 hour trade. Okay, this is 4 hour. So I hold this trade long for long time. So many trades like this that I'm looking at, even BTC now, and you will see that my take profit is not something that look at the take profit. So I don't just trade and then just consider taking profit. Some people will consider taking profit from here, from this particular level, because it's what? Because it's a resistance zone. So this is not me. Here, I will, whatever that happens, there will determine if I should exit the trade or not. But at this point, I probably have moved my stop loss below it, because that's what I do. I move my stop loss below every resistance along the way. And if it is a sell up this thing, I move my stop loss below every support along the way. So you know that I just leave the trade like that to run. Okay, so that's what I want to show you today. If you like what I've just shown you, please subscribe and like the video. And if you are interested, you can take my mentorship link in the bio. So see you again in my next video.